wasugi,
wencho,
wensugo, ro, gase.
Okay, wenchukuro kaseyo naman. Wenchok naman is left. Pag sinabi nga, wenchukuro kaseyo, please go to your left. Wenchukuro kaseyo. Okay, then next, James.
Tuero olagaseyo.
Okay, wiro olagaseyo. Okay, so pag sinabing we means up, and olaga means go up. Or ibig sabihin, wiro olagaseyo, go up.
Go up.
Okay. Then next step.
Arero.
Okay.
Nerio gaseo.
Okay, are naman, are means below or down. Okay, then neryoga means go down or pag sinabing are neryoga is go down. Okay, so may ihatid ko sa inyo aming example. For example, sa exam nyo merong okay, yan is naka-arrow.